Ngayong araw, we will also recommend, the Commission will recommend ang pagsampa ng mga kaso laban sa mga these following persons. Former Senator Bong Revilla Jr., Maynard Ngo, Carlin Villa, Gerard Opolencia, Manny Bolusan, Ruel Umali, Jean Ryan Altea, Carlin Yap Villa, J.Y. De La Rosa, Mrs. Patron, and Carlo Aguilar. Ang posibleng mga kaso ay direct or indirect bribery and corruption of public officials, plunder, and administrative sanctions, amongst others. We're also submitting new evidence in addition to our previous referrals, which may possibly lead to more charges for the following individuals: former Secretary Manuel Bonoan, former USEC Catalina Cabral, former USEC Roberto Bernardo, former Congressman Saldico, Commissioner Henry Lipana, Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez, and J.P. Mendoza.